We're still working with function notation. We're to exercise 4 from our handout. For f of x equals 3x minus 5, solve f of x equals 0 for x. So what we want to do here is we want to take this function and by solving f of x equals 0 is we want to set the function expression equal to 0 and solve for x. And so we have just a little equation here. Really, the algebra is pretty easy. Add 5 to both sides. 5 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. 5/3 is equal to x. So I'll just say x equals 5/3 is my answer. In exercise 5, it's a similar kind of thing here now. Okay, we're going to take our function g of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2, and we want to solve g of x equal to 12. So we're going to set the g of x equal to 12 equals x squared minus 3x plus 2, and again we're going to solve for x. This is a quadratic equation. We've seen some quadratic that we could solve by just taking square roots up to now. Here, because we have an x squared and an x term, I think we want to get one side equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And I have 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. And to solve this one, you could possibly use factoring, possibly the quadratic formula, if you have that handy. I'm going to try factoring here into two binomial factors. Let's see, x and an x. Now I just use trial and error for my factoring method. If I have a negative third term, I know the signs would have to be different if it's going to factor. And it could be either 5 and 2 or 10 and 1. Let's see, I want to get a minus 3x middle term. I'm going to, maybe I'll purposely write, I'm going to write the wrong answer down first. Okay, so if I said plus 5 minus 2, that's a decent guess. But when I check this, if I multiply that out, I get x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 10. So my middle term is coming out to be plus 3x. I actually want minus 3x, right? So, of course, this is incorrect. But I can adjust after making that guess. I realize I should have written x minus 5, x plus 2. And now I can multiply this out to check, and it does give me x squared minus 3x minus 10. So because I have one side equal to 0, by the 0 property, either x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. So I get x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 2. I actually get two solutions to this quadratic equation. And that's our solution to number 5. Now back to our handout. We're ready to move on to the next page of the handout. Oh, I'm sorry. Exercise 6 comes next, yes. And exercise 6 we're going to do as a separate video segment because that's a little bit involved. Coming up next.